Hi guys, welcome back to VAG Italy YouTube channel. Today we are looking how to change the battery of our remote control. For many people seems something easy, but really no one really know how to open it and change the battery inside, because it could be quite easy to damage the remote control if you doesn't know where to open it. Okay, the battery is inside that area. Okay, so we need to look at that side of the remote and open it. Okay, so now first of all it's necessary to open the key, take out the key. Okay, and with another key you need to put inside, press, rotate, so, and then you will open that side of the cover, and then we can see the battery inside. So now with a screwdriver take out the battery. Oops, the battery goes out. So now after the battery is removed, okay, this is the battery for the classic T1 Golf Passa, so it always use the 2025 battery type. You will see, we will put a link in the description. Okay, you need to remove that little plastic cover and then put the battery inside. Okay, from left. Okay, then you see left down, so push it, and then the battery will remain fixed inside. Okay, take a look on the right side, the positive will be on top. Okay, then from left side downside put the cover back and push it, just this. Okay, then pay attention that everything is quite good closed, and then you can try to push the button and see if the red light goes on. It means that the remote control is working and the battery is a good charged battery. Okay, if you have a keyless of your car, remember that the battery will not have a very long life. If you don't have the keyless in the car, the battery probably will be good for 2-3 years without any problem. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe and give a like. Bye bye.